Hi guys, nandito na ako sa kwarto ko. Umuwi ako ng maaga from store kasi from my queues, it's because there's no people playing billiard today, and maybe because they are tired already, or maybe because they don't have money for play a games. It's like sports play. Ano ba? Okay. Alam mo guys, nagpapasalamat ako, umuwi ako. Honestly, yes. Dati yung buhay ko napaka-stress. Honestly, life in abroad is very stressful. And then people look after me as a gold digger. Oh my God, guys. Paano ako magiging gold digger? Yung napangasawa ko, na si Mons, he is not rich that time. Honestly, he don't have money. He have apartment, but it's not cash yet. His money is only 50,000 in his own account. And you know what? I think gold digger is, they are the type of person that they want to get money from their partner. Honestly, I didn't get Mon's money. Do you know who get that money? Rose. I helped him to save money in how many years? We worked together, yeah. I try to, every time that we're going out, even that in, payment in the house is, we divide that. And he always complain if, for example, month of January, the payment is 8,000 or 11,000. He's complained already, so I need to help him. Alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng kaaway. Hindi ko lang maintindihan kung bakit may mga Pilipino na pinipilit ako maging kaaway. Hindi ko rin maintindihan kung bakit wherever I go in the beginning, they are always follow wherever I go for fight. Ano ba? Honest is, I want to have a silent life. Kung sanay na sanay ka sa iskandalo ng buhay mo, wag mo akong kinakaladkad base sa skandal ng lifestyle mo. Kasi namuhay ako sa Pilipinas. Honest is, my life is very private in Santa Cruz. I'm never involved to scandals when I was young. Why? I'll never have boyfriend in young age. I said to myself, before I get boyfriend, I need to be sure that I'm adults already. I think magna-19 ako nung nagkaroon ako ng first boyfriend. Alam mo guys, may mga taong nanggugulo sa akin. Hindi ko maintindihan kung anong pinanggagalaiti nila. In the beginning until now na YouTuber na ako, hindi ko pa rin maintindihan kung ano ang kailangan nila sa akin. But lately, na-realize ko na I know now. You pull me down to shit because you feel jealous to me. And says, yes, you feel jealous to me. At hoping sila guys, in that way, masisira nila ang buhay ko. Kung first that you did mistake to me or make stupid to me that you're win. This time na YouTuber ako, hindi ka mananalo sa akin. Kakahila mo sa akin, pababa. Baka kakahila mo pababa sa akin, ay ikalaglag mo sa bangin. Bakit? You deserve shit because you're shit. And I grow up with my family is not rich, but we are a decent person. We know how to respect people, privacy, yes. If you don't know how to respect other person's life, just move away from me. Because I'll never look after the person that I know that they can fall someone down to shit. Because that's their plan. And if you're thinking that you're gonna be win, doing like that always to me, I'll never allow you to do that to me. Never ever. Alam mo guys, mayroon akong iniisip nila I'm their enemy. I don't care. May nakaaway ako guys. I need to be honest. May nakaaway ako. Taga-green ng mga Pilipina. Na nanghihila sa akin mula umpisa. Alam mo, natuklasan ko kung sino yung gold digger. Sila ang gold digger. Sila ang gold digger. Tumungtong sila ng Denmark for one reason. Nagkaroon sila ng permanent dahil sa paggamit ng lalaki to have that permanent. Wala naman akong pakialam sa business nyo. Kasi business nyo yan. Body is your business. Pero lubay-lubayan nyo ako. Ang ano nyo sa akin, ang issue nyo sa akin na gold digger ako. Hindi naman ako yumaman kung gold digger ako. Why? I built this house in my own salary. At wala akong pakialam sa kwento mo. Kwento mo na lang sa daga na kagaya mo. O kaya sa palaka na si Coca. Si Madam Coca. Na wala kayong ginawa kundi kumukak ng kumukak. Kasi sa totoo lang guys, yan yung mga yan. Akala mo kung sino yung mga aarte? Diyos ko, yung mga asawa niyan, mga matatanda na. Ngayon guys, plano siguro nila mag-divorce. Hindi lang sila maka-divorce kasi the government in Denmark is they look after me. Yeah. They are just focusing, in the beginning, what I said is, it's not about bullying because I'm good in English, even that Danish, I'm good too. And I think if that person's bullying me, I discovered that in front of my face, they bullying me. I know who is my enemies. The arrogant Filipina, yeah, in Grino. At alam mo guys, kung ang nakaka-buwiset. Nakaka-buwiset kasi wala na ako sa Grino. Gusto pa nila ay tanggalan ako ng YouTube channels. May naglalag-in guys sa YouTube channels ko. Nalaman nila ang password ng YouTube channels kung ginagamit nila sa TV to log-in. Respect my YouTube channels. All informations is there that you cannot use to change my name. And to all those people who manage the YouTube channel to YouTube, I want to ask a favor. Please don't allow that someone stolen my YouTube channels. I don't like that they will ruin my career again to this time. Why? I discovered lately that someone logged in using TV. And in the beginning, I didn't know that. I thought that, my Samsung TV only. I accept, yes. Because sometimes if I have load, I'm using my TV. Yeah, Samsung TV. So I accept that. This time, I ignore it. Why? Someone tried to attempt how to stolen my YouTube channels. Hello, girls. Are you okay? You know what? You can make your own YouTube channels if you want. If you feel jealous, do your best. Being a good YouTuber. I'll never pull you down, but you don't have right to destroy mine because you want to join to YouTube. Balik tayo guys sa pagiging gold digger. Sabi nila gold digger daw ako. Honest guys, I built this house, my home. Even that my car, Mons have no share for that. Anis says he don't have share for that. I paid that 140 or 160, I cannot remember, before I got installment monthly bill. It's my own salary. Tapos guys, hinihintay nila na ma-embargo ang kotse ko. Alam ko yan guys kung sino. Bakit? Alam ko kung sino yung kalaban ko. Ang kalaban ko guys ay matinding inggitera. Inggitera na tao. Walang kahihiyan sa mundo. They are not shy to ruin my life because they are hoping that they can destroy my dignity all the time. I don't care where you came from, which kind of family you came from. But I need to be sure to you that you cannot pull me down to shit because you want a shit life. That's your own choices. Just move away from me. Ngayon na naging YouTuber ako, dati pangarap lang namin ng anak ko na maging YouTuber. Ako ang gumawa for her. Why? I want that someday, if she going back to Philippines, she will be proud. Ma'am, you did it. Gusto ko guys, gusto ko kahit papano ay maibigay ko sa anak ko kung ano yung pinapangarap niya. Gusto ko someday, she will be proud of me because I did it. I did the best. The best, the best way to be success. Alam mo guys, kung sino yung kalaban ko? Yung mga Pilipinang gold digger. Bad trip sila guys kasi 'di ba minomonitor ako ng ng mga tao sa City Hall kasi there's a complaint that they say that I abuse my child, and it is they don't have proof. They are just making a story until that I cannot control the story, the lie story. And then now guys is they didn't expect that people cats who is the gold digger in Denmark. Kung mayroon kayong mga pamilya sa Denmark na ganyan ang gawain, alam mo sa totoo lang, nakakahiya. Nakakahiyang dumikit sa kanila. I'm shy to go with them. Why? Ang puhunan daw nila ay katawan, kaya naging ganun daw ang option nila sa buhay. What? Hindi ako kasama sa option ng buhay mo. Honest is, kung puhunan mo ang katawan mo, good luck to you. Doon ko guys nakilala yung mga Pilipina na akala mo kung sinong maaarte. Yung asawa nila ay hindi ka tanggap-tanggap na. Yan. Aanin ko naman guys ang permanent. I choose to go back because that's my decision since in the beginning. I will go back in Philippines someday. I want to rest life in Philippines because this is my home country and I know that I can have better life later because I work hard for it. Ang life ko ay with Mons ay not easy, I know. Kasi si Mons ay sakitin. Sabi ko dati, sakitin si Mons, alagaan ko kasi asawa ko. At wala akong magagawa dahil sakitin ang asawa ko. Give up ko siya lately guys kasi para siyang bata na hindi ko na alam kung ano ang nasa utak niya. Pagod na ako since in the beginning. Until the end ng buhay ko pa ba naman mangungonsumisyon pa ako sa kanya. Guys, hindi pagkakamali na pinakasalan ko. Pero gaya nga ng sinabi ko, pinasok ang problema ko. Ako lang ang pwedeng mag-solve nito. Kasi nung tinanggap ko si Mons, I'll never involve my family for that situations. And I need to solve my own problems in my own way. Pero yung hindi ko lang maintindihan, I cannot understand that Pilipinas is following wherever I go to ruin my day. Natuklasan ko guys, sila pala ang gold digger, hindi ako. Sa totoo lang, Diyos ko, mag-aasawa ka ng tigulit. Later, papalitan mo. Hindi mo iniisip na someday, kahiya-hiya ka. Hindi ako nagpaka-permanent guys. I don't have permanent residence even that I came from Denmark since 2002 as an au pair. I came from Denmark to work as a nanny. Yeah. And I'm proud for that job because, I help my cousins, some of my families. I think we are 8 or 9 to go in Denmark. Not because of old person. No. Because we work as a nanny and I got a host family for them. So, nakarating sila ng Denmark, guys, bilang isang nanny, isang katulong. Yaya. Yeah. I'm proud. Why? It came from me and I helped them. At ang iba pa dyan, guys, ay nasa Norway na. At ang isa kong pinsan ay nasa Denmark. Alam mo, I'm so lucky and blessed already that I helped them to go in Denmark. Hindi dahil sa lalaki. Nakarating ako ng Denmark, hindi sa isang lalaki. Hindi dahil kay Mons. Nakilala ko si Mons ay nasa Denmark na. Pero hindi ko akalain guys na ay makikilala ko yung mga Pilipina na yan kasi the scandal my life. They didn't allow me to have a silent life. So I need to move away. Besides, that's my plan is in the beginning. Ayun na yung plano ko talaga. Tapos guys, nung nakilala ko yung mga asawa nila, doon ko talaga nasabi, how sad. Very sad. Tinatarget nyo magkaroon ng permanent, hoping that you can live in Denmark to have a silent life. Hindi kayo magkakaroon ng silent life kapag panluloko ang puhunan nyo. Bakit? Kung hindi man ako ang hihila sa inyo dahil hindi ko gawain ang manghila ng kamag-ana ay ng mga tao na umaasenso ang buhay ko sa pamamagitan ng panluloko sa mga matatanda, ibang tao ang gagawa nun for me. Para ibokya ka sa mga kahihiyan mo. Alam mo guys, nagkaroon ako ng trabaho na nirereklamo ko na she's involved to a crime. How? The plan to kill me. Nireport ko na yan guys sa pulis. Bakit? Ay, naging danger ang buhay ko. Naging danger ang buhay ko dahil sa kanila. Yung grupo ng nireport ko sa pulis, hindi ko na kailangan ibanggit. Wala naman akong pakialam kung ipatulpo niya ako dahil gusto kong kabitan siya ng lightes. Naging miserable ang buhay ko, nasa danger ang buhay ko because of that woman. Alam mo guys, imagine, bibili ako sa Asian shop, bitbit ko yung card ko. I'm hoping that I can make my card work already. She's planning to stolen my card. Doon ko nakita guys na sabi niya gano'n, no? Nililibang-libang niya ako ng usap. Pero alam ko yung mindset niya ay to stolen my cards because I lost one already. Alam mo guys, lahat ng kaipokrihan ng mga Pilipina na yan, alam na alam ko. Kaya hanggang ngayon guys, hindi nila ako tinitigilan sa YouTube channels ko, hoping that they can pull me down. I wish that they are falling down to from aircraft. Alam mo guys, hanggang ngayon hindi ako tinitigilan ng mga yan. Tinatry nila ako using black magic. How to kill Rogelia behind their back. Because I'm away na. Very away. Gusto nyo kunin lahat ng pamilya nyo? Magpaka-gold digger kayong lahat. Di ba gusto nyo malahian? Ang sad ang nakalahi, hindi mga gwapo eh. Diyos ko, punggok, ugok, propunggok, gok pa. Ay, Diyos ko, mahirap no? Mahirap sosyal. Social climber ang dating. Tapos lagapok, bagsak, iget ang dating. Alam mo guys, advice ko lang sa inyo, to all gold diggers in Reno, how you ruin my life to attack every day, right? Making a report even that it's not real. By the way, you want to be rich? You want that all of your family is go or you can bring in Denmark. You know, you can do something. You can do something. Why you didn't try to, di ba nagpapabalik-bayan naman kayo ng box? Gusto nyo malahian? Magpadala kayo ng sperm sa, door to door nyo. Lagyan nyo ng asin para hindi masira. Para malahian kayo ng kabayo. Kabayong gwapo. Yeah. Bakit? Kasi sa totoo lang, pinagsisiksikan nyo sarili nyo to have a relationship with, with smells, pugok, itlog. Okay lang yan guys, kasi after 2 years, i-divorce nyo, mag-aasawa ulit kayo, hahanapan nyo yung kamag-anak nyo ng tigulit para makarating ulit ng Denmark. How sad, no? I feel sad for you. Gusto nyo malahi, mag-send kayo ng sperm para para gwapo ang lahi nyo, para makarating lahat sa gusto nyong marating. It's very funny. Ako, YouTuber na ako ngayon. Malapit ko na ma-achieve ko anong gusto kong i-achieve sa buhay. At sisiguraduhin ko sa inyo, Inday, hindi ako magiging kagaya nyo. Hindi ko ipagsisiksikan ang sarili ko to have a permanent kasi hindi naman ako nag-apply ng permanent for good in Denmark. Kaya, proud Pilipina, Kruhay Antique. It's me, Rods for short. By the way, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you to know about my life here in Philippines, even in Denmark. My life in Denmark is not easy, yeah. All of the struggling in life, I experienced that, but I'll never feel down to myself. Why? I know that I can achieve what I want to achieve. My dreams later. By the way, guys, thank you. Thank you to watching me. Thank you for all your times. By the way, I want to say bye for now and see you later. Bye.